Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 7-116. This is your 8K through 16K trailer brake flange bolt. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so this is your trailer brake flange bolt, and we'll measure it out real quick. So the overall length on it is going to be 2 inches, and the head on it is going to be 0.61 inches, and from bottom of the head to the end, it's going to be 1.73 inches. And what these bolts are, I'll just show you real quick. So they're used, if you got your brake assembly, they're just the bolts that go into the brake assembly that hold the brakes onto the axle. So those bolts just go in right like that, and that's going to hold your brake onto your axle. So if you need some of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.